You know, I just got this because God wanted me to have it, basically. Hello, wig lovers. It's Urban Eve. In today's video, I am going to review the long-awaited, the cult favorite, the sold out everywhere Wig Neesha. Wig Neesha 201. I have watched so many reviews of this wig. Just about everybody that you can think of who is beloved in the wig review community review the Wig Neesha 201, 202, 203. She is sold out everywhere. They're like, oh, it's gonna be restocked. Oh, they're gonna restock soon. And I'm just like, how will I know? How will I know? And I got it from Elevate Styles, where it has been sold out for at least a week now, maybe longer. Maybe last week I was like just in a frenzied craze, and I like happened to see that there was one available, and I didn't even look to see what color it was. Actually I did, but I didn't care what color it was. I was just like, I'm getting it. I don't care what color it is. It could be 613 and I'm getting it. I'm getting it. So the color that I did end up getting is the Dark Root Sienna Copper. I'm looking at it and I'm already a little scared about this color, but I don't care. I don't care. I just need to try it. I just need to try this wig. I've been fiending for this unit for too long, and it's sold out everywhere. Did I mention that already, that it's sold out everywhere? I don't even know how I got this. I don't know how. I don't know how I got this wig. Ooh, this is a fiery color. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is fiery. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. It's a nice fall color. It's fiery. So Wig Neesha is said to be incredibly soft, mimicking the like natural hair pattern of like blown out kinky hair incredibly well, that its parting space is very natural, that you have barely to do anything to make this wig natural. Just plop it on your head, and you know that I'm a huge fan of that. Hashtag wigs for lazy people. I've heard that it's big head friendly. It looks amazing on everyone that I've seen review it. So, you know, this is kind of a big deal right now. It's kind of a big deal. It says it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Let's see, it comes in all these other wonderful colors, you know, 1B, 1B30, S430, Dark Root 2730. The first one I ever saw was DRFF Honey Brown. There's a DRFF2 Butterscotch. But you're not gonna get any of these because they're sold out everywhere. She's sold out. I really, really wanted the DRFF Honey Brown. I've also seen the DRFF Black Cherry. She's pretty. They all look pretty. They all look really pretty. I don't think I would go for the Butterscotch, or maybe I would just to see what it looked like. They all look amazing. All right, and I think she's like 30 something on Elevate Style, so I just remember it being about 40, 43 with shipping and taxes and stuff. But I will put the exact dollar amount that I spent on it in the description box below. So this is her right out of the box. This color, I've never worn a color like this, ever. I'm really excited. I actually really like it. I'm sorry. I'm being crazy. When you've been waiting for something this long, you just want to make it last as long as possible. You know, it's historic in the wig history of Urban Eve. So this is her. Oh my goodness. This is soft as a fuck. It's very soft. It's very soft. It's thick, but it's like airy and poofy, which I love. The texture of it really does feel like human hair, like blown out human kinky hair. And this color, I'm fucking loving this color. So I'm just gonna go off camera, plop this on my head, and come back. We're back. I have the lace on. So I've heard a lot about how thick this hair is and how it can be very hot on the neck. Right now, it's just feeling like butter. It's just feeling like smooth goodness, because yes, it is thick. The density is solid, but it's light. It's so airy and light. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go off camera again, and I'm gonna cut this lace off on a styrofoam head because I do not want to screw this up. And then I'm gonna come back and give this a proper review. But I'm already just like, how can you get better than this hairline? And let's see, it goes about, I want to say like 4.5 to 5 inches. Very realistic looking. Let's look at that pre-plucked hairline. Let's see the ear to ear lace. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have cut the lace off. I'm really happy with the job that I did. There is lace right here. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with that. I think I can like add powder and that might be okay. But if you were not to look at this, like this close up where you can actually see it, and even close up, it's not that bad. I'm giving myself like a kind of sexy 70s vibe. I'm also getting like pumpkin spice, autumn, fall leaves, and this texture. I just love this so much. I've seen in reviews a lot of people thin this out a little bit because some of the units are kind of thick. This density is perfect for me. Like, this density is perfect. I don't feel like I want to take any hair out of this. The way it's cut, the layering of it, it's perfect. I have there's nothing. It lays flat at the top. It frames my face beautifully. There is zero tingling. And this color, which I don't think I would have ever gotten if it wasn't the last color that they had at Elevate Styles. I'm fucking with this color. This color. This dark root I thought would have been a bit darker like further down, but the way that it blends into the sienna copper, I might have been more comfortable if it was darker further down, but you know, because I think that what kind of intimidates me a little bit is having just this very bright color, like just so close to the top of my head, almost as if it's just this color. But this dark root is perfect. It solves that. And plus which, this color is not just a flat sort of like orangey copper. It has dimension to it. It's got other like gradients of that kind of autumnal orange color. So there's some yellowish highlights, and there's some like dark brown. Like, I need like one more of this and like 2 more other colors, because I mean, I would even get this in 1B because it's so freaking realistic. Okay, I'm gonna turn around now so you can see the back. I mean, I didn't think that there was much of a chance that I was not going to love this wig, but still, you know, you never know. I just got a unit recently that was reviewed by someone who I love, and it just wasn't for me. This, even as much as I love the reviews of this unit, I still was just like, you know what? I'm reserving my judgment until I get it, because I might not even like this style on me. This might be too basic for me. This might be too like soccer mommy for me, but this is, girl. And I can see where it could get hot. I can see that, but I will, fuck, I'll be hot. I will be hot. I don't care. This color, wow. This texture, this natural hairline, and the part. I feel like I need to go get a comb or a brush or something, because I need to do something, because I don't have anything bad to say about this at all. Nothing. What is this, 5 minutes, 10? I got nothing bad to say about this. I just want to pet this all day. It is sexy, it is hot, it is beautiful, it is light, it is everything good. The roots, the dark roots are dark throughout this entire wig. Outre. 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 Okay, so cap size. It's very snug. I've got my wig grip under this, which by the way, I've had for like a few weeks now. It's my first wig grip. It really is life-changing if you're a wig wearer. It just makes everything just super stable. As soon as you get it over that wig grip, like nothing is moving, nothing. So I'm wearing that. It's very snug. It's just perfect. It's very comfortable. I haven't adjusted any of the straps. Oh, I forgot to show you the cap construction. It's like every other cap construction that you've ever seen on my other wig reviews. It's the 2 combs in the front and then the 1 comb in the back. It could lay a little flatter, but it wouldn't make any difference. The poof, I kind of like that too. There's nothing I would change about this. I don't think I'm gonna take this off for the rest of the night. I'm just for the rest of the week gonna be planning my outfits around this hair. Let me try it as a side part, although I don't think that I'm supposed to do a side part. I just don't do side parts, but that's not bad. This feels kind of cartoonish. Wow. Would I wear this as a side part? I might, maybe on the other side. I like this though. This looks good as a side part. It, like, oh shoot. Like the length doesn't really change or anything. Wow. Wow. Still looks so freaking real. What? Whoa. Does anybody else remember Joey from Blossom? Whoa. That's how I feel right now, like Joey from Blossom. So let's shift it on the other side. That's friggin', see, this is my side right here. The right side part, yes, bitch. Yes. I mean, the ear tab is a little uncomfortable, but you can like push it up a little bit and it's fine. At least on me, on my head. This is my side part. Yes! Oh no, now I'm morphing into Oprah. You get a wig, you get a wig, you get a wig. This is the first wig unit that I have ever got that I would consider wearing as a side part. Oh, bitch. What? She's so sexy. This is all that I had hoped it would be, and I love this. I cannot wait to wear this unit. If it wasn't for the fact that I don't like to break up a week of wearing one unit to just all of a sudden toss another one in, I would wear this tomorrow. But I can wait. I can wait. Yeah, this is game freaking changing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your likes by clicking on the thumbs up button. And if you enjoy content like this and want to see more from me, please feel free to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted each and every time I release a video on my channel. And until I see you in my next video, bye.